Korea's exports of autos reached a record high for any first quarter this year, logging on-year growth for the eighth consecutive quarter.
올해 1분기 승용차 수출액이 1분기 기준 역대 최대 실적을 기록하면서 전년 동기 대비 증가세가 8개 분기 연속으로 이어졌습니다. Tell us more.
Right, so outbound shipments of cars came to 15.84 billion US dollars in the January-March period, or the first quarter of this year. That was up 2.8% from a year earlier, and it's the highest figure for any first quarter ever, beating the previous record of $15.41 billion, which was set a year earlier. And car exports logged on-year growth for the eighth consecutive quarter, so it's been consecutively doing very well. And by country, auto exports to the U.S. jumped 24.2% on year, and those to Canada also added 2.4%. And they say that demand for mid-sized gasoline engine cars led the overall export growth, and that offset the falling sales of eco-friendly cars. I don't know if this is good for the environment.
I think in America, EVs are not quite as popular as gasoline cars. Maybe because you have such
There's
a large
been
span.
a lot of issues have been raised, for EV cars, especially with the cold winter, I think.
Okay.
And then they said that rental cars, they're not as popular with rental cars. So
Interesting.
there's been a decline in EV, not EV, but electric car sales. Yeah.
Exactly. Well, Korea is definitely a force to be reckoned with when it comes to car making. 이렇게 자동차 수출 역시 1분기 기준 역대 최대 실적을 기록했다라는 소식입니다. 미국에서 특히 미국과 캐나다에서 굉장히 많이 수입을 해갔군요. car라고 하기도 하지만 autos라고 했네요.
Right. So it's basically automobiles. So it's short for automobiles and it means cars.
네, automobiles를 줄여서 그냥 autos라고 했습니다. For any first quarter는 무슨 뜻일까요?
Right, so any first quarter is the first 3 months of the year. So any first quarter means for the first quarter of any year.
그렇죠. 여기서 1분기 기준으로 1분기 실적으로는 이제 최대다라는 얘기를 강조하기 위해서 for any first quarter라고 했습니다. 그 어떤 1분기도 이번 기록보다 높았던 게 없었다 이런 얘기겠죠. 자, 다시 읽어보겠습니다. Korea's exports of autos reached a record high for any first quarter this year, logging on-year growth for the eighth consecutive quarter. Let's move on to the next headline.
Jose Mujica, the former president of Uruguay, known as the world's poorest president, has announced that he has esophageal cancer.
세계에서 가장 가난한 대통령으로 불린 호세 무히카 우루과이 전 대통령이 식도암 투병 사실을 발표했습니다. Now, the reason he had that nickname was because he was very modest. He wasn't, literally poor, but he was definitely a very modest president, wasn't he?
Right. So he's almost 90, and he said that on Monday that the tumor was discovered in a routine checkup on Friday. And of course, doctors are discussing the best course of treatment for the former president who also has an autoimmune disease. So he was Uruguay's president from 2010 to 2015, and during his tenure in office, he passed several very progressive laws, including the legalization of abortion and gay marriage. And also under his watch, Uruguay became the first country in the world to fully legalize recreational marijuana. He remained in politics after his presidency, resigning from the Senate in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic. And like you mentioned, he was known as the world's poorest president during his presidency because he maintained a modest lifestyle. He lived in his own house instead of the presidential residence. He drove a Volkswagen Beetle, and he also gave away most of his salary.
그래요. 2010년부터 2015년까지 우루과이의 이제 대통령이었습니다. 그리고 이제 우루과이라고 하는데 영어식으로는 좀 발음 다르게 하고요. 근데 워낙에 검소해서 이런 별명이 붙어졌었어요. 세계에서 가장 가난한 대통령이다. 현재 호세 무이카 대통령은 88세고 전 세계의 이제 응원을 지금 받고 얼른 나으셨으면 좋겠습니다. 여러 가지 지금 응원의 메시지가 쏟아지고 있어요. 우리가 이제 암투병을 하다라고 할 때 영어로는 battling cancer 이걸 많이 쓰는 것 같아요.
Yeah.
네. He was the former president, right?
Right, right. So former means of or in an earlier time or before the present time or in the past.
네. former 그러면은 이전의라는 뜻이 있어서 former president 전 대통령이라는 뜻이고요. 우리가 만약에 뭐 그 앞에 있는 것과 뒤에 있는 것에 대한 얘기를 할 때 the former and the latter 이렇게 또 얘기하기도 하죠. 자, 그다음에 이 식도암입니다. 영어로는 esophageal cancer라고 하죠.
Yeah. So it's cancer relating to the esophagus. The esophagus is the part of the alimentary canal that connects the throat to the stomach.
그래요. 식도암 esophageal cancer입니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. Jose Mujica, the former president of Uruguay, known as the world's poorest president, has announced that he has esophageal cancer. Now let's move on to England. This is our final headline.
In the UK, the self-described 5,072-year-old intergalactic space warrior Count Binface is running to be London mayor on May 2nd.
영국에서 5월 2일에 치러지는 런던 시장 선거에 자칭 은하계에서 온 5072살의 우주전사 깡통백작이 출마해 화제가 되고 있습니다. Tell us more.
It's not his first time.
It's not. It's his second time. He was
so-
unsuccessful last time.
Yeah, so he finished
Shocker.
ninth in the 2021 contest, and some of his
Promises?
manifesto,
Yeah.
what he calls manifesto,
Right.
they're very interesting.
Yeah.
His policies they include no shop to be allowed to sell a croissant for more than £1.10.
Okay.
He says he wants to build at least one affordable house. The London Bridge will be renamed after English actress and screenwriter Phoebe Waller-Bridge. Shops that play Christmas music before December will be closed down and turned into public libraries. Loud snacks are to be banned from theaters, and to solve delays caused by 20 miles per hour zones, they're to solve these delays, they're going to start meetings 10 minutes later. So these are some of the policies that he wants to, the manifestos that he wants to put into place once he becomes mayor. And he says that he's 5,072 years old, and he says that his pledges are the best in the business, and he is the only candidate with a decent manifesto. So he's a satirical political character. He's been created by a comedian named Jonathan David Harvey, and he says that he doubts he'll place better than ninth in this election, but he's quote unquote quietly confident.
그러니까요. 원래 이제 코미디언이 우리가 흔히 말하는 부캐로 이제 만든 캐릭터예요. 빈 페이스라는 게 빈은 쓰레기통이고요.
Yeah.
페이스는 얼굴이니까 쓰레기통을 뒤집어 쓴 백작이다.
Yeah.
이런 이제 이름을 스스로 붙인 거고요. 우리가 저기 혹시 사진이 있을까요? 예, 여러분 한번 찾아보시면 금방 찾아집니다.
Yeah, just look for Count Bin
우리말로는 이제 깡통백작이라고
Yeah.
번역을 하고 있어서 이거 검색하셔도 되고 아니면 영어로 Count Bin Face 이거 찾으시면 금방 나와요. 그래서 그냥 봐도 이제 조금 코미딕한 코미디로 한다는 것을 어느 정도 느낄 수 있는데 실제로 2021년도 런던 시장 출마했었고 그때 9위를 했습니다.
Yeah.
그러니까 어느 정도 인기도 있고요. 네, 이번에 그 공약 중에 뭐 여러 가지 아까 얘기를 해주셨는데 저는 좀 인상적이었던 게 뭐냐면 지금 템스강 수질이 굉장히 안 좋다고 해요. 그래서 공약으로 템스강의 수질을 이렇게 만든 경영진들을 입수시키겠다. 물속에 들어가게 하겠다. 이렇게
I like that.
공약들을 내놓고 있답니다. 뭐 여러 가지가 있고요.
That could fix a lot of things.
네, 그래요. 근데 이제 물론 뭐 당선 안 되겠지만 뭐 모르겠습니다만 어쨌든 그래도 지지하는 사람들이 있다라는 거는 그만큼 또 이 런던 요 시민들의 마음을 조금은 대변하고 있다. 뭐 이렇게 해석을
Yeah.
해야 될까요?
And there was a quote. He says that he loves democracy
Okay.
because it's so rare in the cosmos. Because he's an intergalactic, right?
Yeah.
And he said that he wanted to celebrate the fact that in the UK, everybody has the right to stand for election, no matter how idiotic the get-up.
그러네요. 아무리 그 출마한 정치인이 우스꽝스러워도 그래도 투표할 권리는
Yeah.
여러분 모두에게 있다. 뭐 이런 얘기도
Yeah.
한다면서요? 알겠습니다. 자, self-described 자칭 뭐 5천 살이 넘었다. 뭐
Right,
이러는데요.
right.
자칭.
Right. So self-described is as described by oneself or as one refers to oneself.
Yes, exactly. self-described 그러면서 여러 가지 지금 나왔죠. 뭐 5,072살이고 뭐 우주에서 왔고 그다음에 count binface라는 이름을 가지고 있다. 이 bin은 B-I-N이에요. bin이 아니고요. intergalactic space warrior라고도 self-describe 하고 있네요.
Right, right. So intergalactic it's relating or situated between two or more galaxies.
그렇죠. 은하계 사이에 있다. 이런 말인데 한마디로 그냥 우주에서 왔다.
Yeah, yeah.
예, 우주 전사다.
He's from another galaxy.
이렇게 말을 한답니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. In the UK, the self-described 5,072-year-old intergalactic space warrior Count Binface is running to be London mayor on May 2nd.